Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a great, amazing day. If not, as I always say, you are in control of your own destiny. So I want to tap in. So what I pulled, excuse me, was the Ten of Swords and the Queen of Wands. So there is going to be a ending, a death and a definite ending to a Queen of Wands. And following is the Death card and the Nine of Wands. Someone's going to be able to move on to calmer waters with an Empress, is what I'm getting here. They were once in the Five of Cups, thinking all was lost because they were bounded by this Queen of Wands. But the Nine of Pentacles is here, and they're going to get a peace of mind after soul searching with this Hierophant, being in the Hangman position in order to get this Four of Wands. Wish fulfillment, happiness, happy life, happy wife, happy husband, and come together with the Nine of Cups. So what I'm getting is that there was, one second. What I'm getting is that there was a Queen of Wands that was doing heavy spell work. And your spirit guides have put a definite, or their spirit guides, or the Emperor and the Empress's spirit guides together came together, collaborated, and put a death to the shit that this Queen of Wands was doing. A literal death. I mean, there is the Ten of Swords and the Death card out here. And in between is the Queen of Wands. I mean, it's a wrap. Anything that this Queen of Wands was doing is done. And she is going to have to watch with the Nine of Wands, this Emperor sail away with the Six of Swords to this Empress. And that's a fact, Jack. You can take it to the bank. While this was all going on, I don't think that the Emperor, which is not out here yet, but there is this divine union coming together, so I know that there is an emperor involved in this situation. He was heavily soul searching, because this Empress was on his mind. But you had to be in some kind of connection with this, or communication with this Emperor, because you have the Nine of Pentacles out here. So you were giving him some sort of peace in some sort of way. But like I said, you have the Hierophant, which is soul searching, the Hangman, the Four of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. So this is definitely coming together no matter what anyone says. Spirit has definitely put their seal of approval, like I said. And then you got the Three of Cups, which is celebration. This is beautiful. This Emperor was blindfolded. He couldn't see the forest through the trees in this situation. You have the World card, which is new beginnings. You have the Seven of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Ace of Wands, and the Fool card. Definitely stepping out on faith. This Queen of Wands is going to be heavily burdened with the Ten of Wands. She can't believe it. She can't understand why her spell work is not working anymore. And it's definitely because Spirit stepped in. Enough is enough. I see the Sun card, the Moon card, equal give and take, and the Five of Pentacles stepping out of the cold with this Queen of Cups. Let's see what else comes out. That was just in my hand, so let's see what falls out to finish out this beautiful story. Your union is coming together. Celebrate, forgive, and know that what's meant to be will be. You have the Four of Pentacles. You both are going to have the Seven of Cups. Lots of different business opportunities. You guys are probably going to travel in lots of different places. It's just going to be wish fulfillment. You both are very passionate about each other, and the sex is amazing. And Spirit says that's the truth. I'm going to end with that with the Ace of Swords. This is beautiful with the Queen of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck. You guys have a great, amazing day. Know that your union is coming together. Know that the spell work and all of this hecticness is coming to a complete end. Keep your faith. Always speak positive upon yourself and your significant other. They do love you. This will be coming together. Always remember to fix your crown. Step off your throne for absolutely no one. And if no one has told you they love you today, know that I absolutely do. Always remember you are in control of your own destiny. Keep the faith. Until next time. Talk to you later.